Sure, the leads on this, the Kelvin leads on this are bad. We're going to do a quick test here. We're going to do a calibration with the shorting piece in here. And you'll see it will pass. And it passed with the shorting ring. Now the next test I'm going to do is with these Kelvin leads. And we're going to go ahead and see if it does the same thing, but as I've tried it, it always fails. So I'm going to assume that these are bad. With the Kelvin leads inserted, we're going to try the calibration on the shorting mode, and we'll see what happens. And as you can see, it fails. So I'm assuming these leads are bad. I had an issue with my FNIRSI LC1020E LCR tester where the Kelvin leads would not calibrate in the shorting mode. It would fail the calibration when the Kelvin leads were connected, though it passed with the shorting lead in there, no problem. As you can see, the braid from one of the wires was shorting against the other soldered connection, the braid going to J1, and it was causing the erroneous readings using the Kelvin leads and the failure of the leads to calibrate properly. Basically, I just removed the braid from shorting against that soldered connection, and it solved the issue. There's also some improper solder connections that are there that you can also see. Other than that, it works great now.